Why? It's the bull's territory. Who said double bottom? Relax yourself. I'm talking about bulls and bears here. And you're not even right. Anyway, make me double check my chart. Okay, so those are the turning points that were created. My clicker's not working anymore. Click on the laptop, please. Click on the laptop, next slide. It's the space bar.
It's the space bar. It's not.
So that was supply and demand. So now we're about to move on to Poops for breakfast. Somebody said I was waiting for Poops for breakfast. Well, where do you know Poops for breakfast? Who said that? Oh, on the Telegram. Oh, okay. Well, okay, I forgot. So we're about to do the Pips for breakfast. Who's heard of Pips for breakfast before? You have? Wait. Besides Telegram. Instagram. I've never said anything about Pips for breakfast. My t-shirt, maybe. Have I? Oh, guys, all I know is this. Don't remind me that I have a pink t-shirt in my wardrobe. I would never remember. Okay, well, can we move on to the next slide? What's happening? Is there any problems? Okay, no. Oh, don't click on that. Get out. Oh, tell it out. Let's go. Go back in. Do it again. See? Solve problems for a living. Next.
Alright, yeah.
There we go. Pips for breakfast. Do we know what a pip is? This is the last strategy. Do we know what a pip is? We do know. We all know. Thank you. We all know what it is. We will Google if we don't know. Okay. Alright.
Pip.
Okay. So, this is the Pips for breakfast strategy. Right? Have you guys, so I want you to click on it, and then when you press Control Y to separate the days, you'll get a day separated. Do you have that right now on your chart? Open your chart. We all have MT5. Let's download MetaTrader 5 if you don't have MetaTrader 5. Do you have MetaTrader 5? Okay, so why you guys are responding? We all have it, right?
Yes.
Okay. So have we clicked Control Y to separate Monday to Friday? Control Y.
Control Y. Control Y.
You have your day separators, right? Okay.
Control Y.
So what you will notice is that each and every day, right? If you're having issues, just raise your hand quickly. Someone will just come and assist you.
Use zoom in button.
I'll just ask Mr. Jabs to come over and help you out. Nobody has issues. Jabs?
This one must be locked.
You were so happy for a moment there. Okay, so you'll see there that for each day, right, we have the lowest point that the price has ever gotten to, and we also have the highest point that the price has gotten to, right? You'll see for each single day, right? Okay, so a quick intro. The Forex market is open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. Just in case you didn't know that, because it had the day separators say from Monday to Friday. So understand that the Forex market is open only 5 days a week for 24 hours in a day. It only closes down at Friday midnight and reopens at Sunday midnight. So unlike stock or bond markets, the Forex market does not close at the end of each business day, ending around 5. Instead, trading just shifts to different financial centers around the world. We have 3 major market sessions: New York, London, Asian. We don't count Sydney, it's not that volatile. But we have Asian, New York, and the London sessions, right? The Asian session is usually the first session to open, and when it's about to close, the London session opens prior to its closure, and then as the London is about to close, the New York session opens prior to the closure of the London. So right before the other one is about to close, the other one opens. So that's what keeps the market active, right? Now, we're going back to our chart. So, this is one of my favorite strategies that I share with you guys. So, as much as each day has a high and a low, so does each session. Remember, the London session has its own time period where it's open, and then the New York has its own time period when it's open, and so does the Asian have its own time period when it's open. So, the one that is highlighted in blue is the Asian session, right? You get to see the lowest point that the price has gotten to and the highest point that the price has gotten to when the Asian session was open, right? The London session, same thing. The lowest point that the price has gotten to during the opening of this session and the highest price. So you'll see for each and every single day, because obviously these sessions are open every single day, Monday to Friday. So the Asian session begins at 12 a.m. and ends at 7 a.m. usually, right? But for this strategy, our Asian session will begin at 12 and end at 10 a.m. So those are that's the time frame for the Asian session to be open. Okay? When you wake up in the morning, the blue box would have highlighted itself automatically for you. So you don't need to worry about coloring anything in. It's already highlighted for you. You need to make sure that with this, you have to have your 1 hour chart open. It has to always be your 1 hour. You need to identify the high and the low of the Asian session on the 1 hour chart. So because it's already highlighted for you, all you need to do is just look. This is the lowest point that the price has gotten to, and the highest point that the price has gotten to during the Asian Open. So what you're going to do is you're going to place 2 pending orders. Okay? Make sure you place 2 pending orders. One directly above the high on the blue box and the other one below the blue box. Your take profit for each trade has to be 10 pips. Do you understand? Your TP must be 10 pips. Do we understand? Okay, let me repeat that one again. You guys don't answer me when you do understand, you don't understand, so I don't know if you understand. Do we understand? No, no. We do. Some people don't. Okay, let's just run it through again. It's okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to place 2 pending orders, right? And then you're going to put one directly above the high of the blue box and the other one below the blue box, right? And then your take profit for each trade should be 10 pips above your pending orders. What do you guys want me to explain? So this is basically how it would look. Right? No, you're not gonna enter that. And if you want direct entries, I will explain to you guys towards the end of this. But this is what it should look like. Your pending orders need to look like this. And your take profits. I'll explain that towards the end. So at the end of each day in the evening, delete the pending orders that were not activated. If your pending order didn't activate for that specific box, so there's the blue box or the red box, at the end of the day, you make sure that you delete it, right? You never use big lot sizes when you use this strategy. The market can trigger your pending order, have a slight pullback before it continues your direction to hit your take profit. So don't over leverage. Do not over leverage. Never fiddle with the trades. Just set the pending orders and go out and live your life. Just set the pending orders as they are and do not fiddle with the trades. Even when you feel like, yo, this looks like it's not, leave it. Leave it alone. Okay? Otherwise,